Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about mapply function, which is a member of the apply function, family of apply function in OR. Uh, we have discussed already about apply function, lapply function, sapply function, and vapply functions. So you can go and you can watch the videos and see for which purpose we can use those functions and what are the differences between those functions. Uh, the difference, I will explain the difference between this mapply function and lapply function as well. So let's go to the to see a brief detail about this function, and then we will explain this in RStudio. So if you Google this mapply function in OR, you will see the mapply function is a multivariate apply of sort which applies to a function in parallel over a set of argument. So this is multivariate apply function. Lapply iterate over a single OR object, but what if you want to iterate over multiple OR object in parallel? Then mapply function is the function for you. So lapply function is iterate over a single OR object, but if you have more than one object, then you need to use mapply function in OR or RStudio. So this is the difference, and you can Google, you can see a lot of details and documentation about this function. And if suppose you want to see some help in OR, you need to just write and just clear this by Control L, and then you need to question mark mapply, and then bracket open and close. So you will see this detail about mapply function, and you can use this mapply function, this command for any function to see some help just in this window like this. And you can see the package as well. This is the function. You can see this is the name of the function, and this is the package in which this function is available. So the name of the function is mapply, and the package is base. So this is from the base package in R. Okay, now let's move to how you can use this in RStudio. Suppose I'm saving the result in an RAP and I'm using mapply function, and you know the syntax of the apply family of function, that you need to write the apply function here, then you need a function inside like sum, average, etc. So this is now repeat, and then this argument mean from 1 to 5, repeat from 1 to 5, and then I'm mentioning that this will create a series of values from 1 to 5 with the difference of 1 by default. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I mentioned that repeat this each element of this series, the first element by 1, the second by 5, the third by 10, the fourth by 50, and the fifth, that is 5, repeat 100 times. And just run this and then see what is stored in the rep. Yep, you can see like this. 3 is repeated 10 times, and 5 is repeated 100 times, and 1 is repeated 1 time. Yeah, that's looks like this. You can customize this as you want. You can write like 1 to 5. So simply this will repeat 1 to 5 each. I mean that 1 to 5, 1 to 5. I mean 1 will repeated 1, and 5 will repeat 5 times. This is very simple. Can you see? And you can see this one. Yes, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 3 times, 4 times. You can reverse the order 5 to 1. This means 1 will be repeated 5 times and 5 will be repeated 1 time. Yeah, you can see like this. Yeah, so this is, yes, interesting. Or you can say 5 to 10. Okay, so this means that 1 is repeated. Okay, let's see. Okay, 5 times. Oh, there is a problem. Yes, it should, because 5 to 10 they are 6 and there are 5 values and I'm repeating 6, 6 different times. So this should be 6. Yeah, now there is no warning, and this is like this. So you can do like this. You can customize by writing C like I wrote in the initial. So this is all about this. And this is another version. I mean, this is another little different there. Rep1 is just to store the result m apply rep times 1 to 4 and x. These are the values which I repeat this time. So you can run this and you can see the results, because this is something like 1 4 and 4 1. So you can see that 4 is repeated one time. So this means that times, this is very simple, but this is little different. 4, because this is the values, the variable, and this is time of repetition. So 4 is repeated 1, 3 is repeated 2 times, because this is a sequence. I mean, from 1 to 4, 1 2 3 4. So 4 is repeated 1 time, 3 is repeated 2 times, because this is in the reverse order, and 1 will be repeated 4 times. So you can see, not here, yeah, 1 is repeated 4 times. And this is something different. You can use this function as well. Repeat times and more argument x, this is equal to 42. Yeah, so this means that x is 42, so this will be repeated each time. Will be repeated. This one mean 1 time, then 3 times, then 4 times. So this is something you can use as well. The important thing now, I'm just want to just like to mention this. You need this as list. You can say x, and you can see what is an x. This means that a is equal to 20, b equal to 1, c equal to 40, and then y. Let's just see what is y. Y is equal to j equal to 430, k equal to 50, and n is equal to 10. Now I need to sum the two lists and multiply by 2 like this. I need to write a function. You can use built-in function as well. It's not necessary to, but if you have different, you are doing something different, you need to define your own function. So if I want to sum the list and multiply each value by 2, then I need to write like this function, and this function is represented by simply, and then the function, and then the argument xy here, and then the body of the function, that is x plus y multiplied by 2. I mean that whatever I am entering here, variable 1, variable 2, sum of the two variable and multiply by 2, and the function is closed. And here, so this is the new function, the simply. I will use simply function now in the syntax of apply function. So RE is, so this is the result. You can use any name for this. M applies, this the function of the discussion for today. Simply this function, this mean that simply function will do that, add the two data set and multiply each element by 2, and the data set is x and y. So just do this. Okay, I need to run this first because it is not existed actually. Yes, now it will work. Yes, and now see the result. Yes. So now a is equal to 900, b is equal to 102, and c is equal to 100. So just look, verify this. 20 plus 430, that make 450 multiplied by 2. So this is 900, and b equal to 1, k equal to 50. Sum these two, and this will give you 51, and multiply by 2, 102. And now 40 plus 10, 50 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 100. So this is the result. This means that you in this function you are summing corresponding elements and then multiply by 2 to make another list like this. So it's all about mapply function. I hope you like the discussion and you have learned some new things. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Ciao.